Welcome to Electric Vehicle Maintenance, a comprehensive training tool for new energy vehicle fault diagnosis and safety procedures. Let's explore its functions and features. First, go to Z-Central and use the launch code AP186 to launch the application. From the home screen, you can select scenes from either homework preparation, which allows you to explore components and safety equipment, or fault diagnosis, which lets you practice maintenance skills and diagnostic methods in simulated scenarios. Let's go into a homework preparation scene. We'll select High Voltage Components and Knowledge. On the left, select from the different components to explore. Use the center stylus button to pick up and rotate the model. You can also do this with the left and right mouse buttons. Hold down the right stylus button to resize. Click the left stylus button to reset the model. Let's go back to the home screen. Here you can also find additional settings and help, launch Z-View, and exit back to your desktop. Now let's do a fault diagnosis activity. We'll do communication failure of charging and distribution assembly. When you launch the scene, you'll see notes from the customer about their vehicle. This person's car is experiencing an issue where it is unable to perform AC charging. Let's follow the instructions for the current step of this task listed at the top of the scene. Using the WASD keys on the keyboard, or selecting the icons on the bottom right, rotate the camera around the scene. Using the Q and E keys, or selecting their icons, you can also zoom in and out. Press the center front button of the stylus, or left-click on the mouse, to select and interact with objects. Press the left button on the stylus or middle-click your mouse to zoom into certain areas. Press the right button on the stylus or right-click to open your tool and part box. You can also access this by selecting the toolbox icon. Additional tools and instruments can be found on the left, including forms, dashboard view, diagnostic instrument, circuit diagram, multimeter, battery tester, oscilloscope, and air conditioner controls. Below, you are able to switch this activity into a learning, practice, or assessment mode. Once you complete the activity, you have the option to export the task file as a PDF. If you don't fully complete the activity, click the record button on the bottom left to save your progress. And that's how to use electric vehicle maintenance on zSpace. For more information, including keyboard shortcuts, please visit zspace.com/edu.